First, open Google Chrome and search for Google Scholar. Once it appears, click on it. Next, type the topic or article you want to search for. Let's take gastric cancer as an example. You'll now see a list of related research articles on your screen. Look closely, and you'll notice a quotation mark icon labeled Cite beneath each article. Click on that icon. When you open it, a pop-up box will appear showing different reference styles, such as MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, Vancouver, and more. Simply copy the citation style you need and paste it into your Word document. You can repeat this process for each reference you want to include in your research paper. That's it. You can easily find and copy accurate references without using any additional software. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips and easy guides. Thanks for watching.